Welcome to funZone Learning Channel. Fruits name: apple, orange, banana, grapes, mango, watermelon, melon, guava, plum, apricot, peach, pear, kiwi, strawberry, blueberry, raspberries, cherries, lychee, papaya, pineapple, custard apple, dragon fruit, fig, pomegranate, avocado. Wow! Let's sing!
Apple so crunchy, red and bright. Take a big bite, what a delight. Orange so juicy, full of cheer. Squeeze it up and sip right here. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Take a bite and have some fun. Colors, flavors, big and small. Fruits are tasty, love them all. Banana is yellow, soft and sweet. Peel it up, what a treat. Grapes come tiny, purple or green. Pop them in so fresh and clean. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Take a bite and have some fun. Colors, flavors, big and small. Fruits are tasty, love them all. Watermelon's juicy, pink inside. Melon is mellow, smooth and wide. Kiwi's fuzzy, green surprise. Cut it open, what a prize! Strawberries red with little seeds. Blueberries small, just what we need. Pineapple spiky, golden and tall. Dragon fruits wild, the coolest of all. Custard apple, creamy delight. Pear so soft, take a bite. Peach is fuzzy, apricot bright. Lychee sweet, oh what a sight. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Take a bite and have some fun. Healthy, tasty every day. Eat your fruits, hip hip hooray.